and I say very honestly, I've never seen this before, that one can be shown like scans under tension, that more people are doing that now, but I've not seen this capability before. Oh, it's great, one sees that sort of like the shadow down the yellow down the bottom for a potential purchaser. That, you know, we're going to put your technology out, we're going to show it running, and there are no terrible things that we see. If VR can help do that, that's what one's looking for. And actually, when you get the results, it's a one-off test because the ropes are destroyed, and that, okay, you learn something, but if you have to pay 200,000 every time you want to do that and go to California, it's a very, very expensive exercise. To me, that one of the things that visualization can do, and for the rope manufacturers and the users, is breach that gap, because I think the problem that the industry is dealing with, the number of people that have seen these ropes being used are really far and few between. Engineers can often see things in their head, but we discussed the flat rope, and we just looked at the end and said, yeah, that will work. That man actually didn't need VR. But he's like one in, you know, he can't communicate why he's done it. And that's the problem, that A, the people that can see something in their own heads, and then B, they've also got to be in position for, you know, saying, well, we'll go off and do it.
It's strange for me, but anyway, who knows? Yeah, okay, that is, yeah. Right, let me just get my... Okay, that's actually much more straightforward than I thought it would be. Yeah, that is actually really functional, I have to say. So if I wanted to make it bigger, okay, that's good. Smaller. Let's just take it down a wee bit. Yeah, that is really good actually. It's actually, I have to say, much more intuitive, other than trying to work out how to use it, it's much more intuitive than I thought it would be. For someone who doesn't do VR or gaming and therefore isn't good with rights and lefts on, you know, from people that are used to using gaming things, they're used to using their two hands in a different way. I don't do that stuff, so that is really helpful.
Do we have that many? So we could, in essence, put a scan of any geometry and we would obtain that type of...
You can see how much that has changed. Just through that bit there. But yeah, see that's that really weird shape there that we were kept trying to draw when we were doing that one. I mean, that's it, you can really get right in and look at exactly the shape of that. If I was in the plaster room, I'd be manually creating that shape, so that the fact that it's actually the size, and I feel like I can actually almost touch it and go, yeah, that would feel what I'd be doing with my hands during the moulding process is really helpful.